And today we are going to make, the question was, what is there a thing that exists that is a liquid and a solid? Well, today we are going to make ooblek. So when you poke it feels like a solid, but when you hold it, it's a liquid. So these are the optional decorations. These are the optional ingredients. These are optional. Sequins, fabric markers, but the rest are required. You'll need a spatula or a mixing tool, a clean bowl, some water,
and the cornstarch. And there's a ratio of cornstarch to water at 2:1.
And a little container to put it in, but make sure it has a cap.
So we have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 1 tablespoon of water. Little math thing there for you all.
Yeah.
Maybe that, children.
Maybe that, children. Stop talking, it's my video. So first we put in the cornstarch. Is that right, Erin? First the cornstarch. First the corn. Get in there.
Okay, that's probably good.
Erin, are you in the frame? You're not supposed to be in the frame. Is this supposed to turn magically? Oh, I didn't get it.
I can give you some more water. If you think it's too thick when you mix it, I'll give you more water. Get all of it in there. Might want to tip it too. I think it's too...
I'm not done mixing. I'm not done mixing.
Show the camera.
Oh, it smells horrible. Remember, you might want to mash because it doesn't smell good. It is too...
Show the camera.
It looks like this.
They can't see it.
It looks like this. So we're just gonna...
I think it's too liquidy. Let me see. Let me see it. Oh, it's perfect.
Okay.
It's perfect. Wow, that's really good.
Okay, I think we just need a little more cornstarch.
You think so?
I do think so.
I think. Okay.
Silence Hallie thinks. So, whatever Silence Hallie thinks, Erin must do.
That's right.
Silence Hallie's the boss around here.
Only a little bit more cornstarch.
Yeah, only a very small amount. If it's just a little, and if it's too liquidy, you can add more water.
No, if it's too liquidy, you add more cornstarch.
No, if you do what? If it's too.
Is that good? Here, I'll switch a spoon if you want to use that instead.
Yeah, I think I'll try the spoon. The spoon's not any better. I think this is better. First, I can do it.
This is what it looks like so far.
We're still mixing.